So with that, let me sort of get into this whole issue of IT 2.0. So that sort of assumes that there's IT 1.0. So let me sort of go into what I see as the current structure that IT has, and then start talking about where I'm sort of trying to take that within DOT. So if I sort of look at IT, and this is not only within the federal government, wherever I've been, sort of seen many of these things. One of the main issues that I see there is, business and IT plans are poorly correlated. IT culture is more introvert and reactive. We are focused on providing technical support, and we're sort of captive to this whole design, build, operate kind of model. And what we are sort of seeing is day by day, new application, new needs come in, and you sort of add more complexity to this infrastructure. The costs keep on going, and this can't really continue forever because we are sort of getting into issues relating to performance and business value and those kind of things. So where I'm sort of trying to move is to this whole emerging model where I want IT to be a business partner and a business expert. That's a significant change. We want to sort of lead in addressing business needs using technology. So we sort of want to be right up front there where business problems are being discussed. And we want to sort of move away from just delivering projects on time and within budget to really getting into providing business value.